Good
Hello.
afternoon. Oh, you're
Sorry.
late. Oh, why you're late? We almost it's already 12:40. So you have 5 minutes. Okay, don't worry, I will extend. We will be until 2 o'clock. So you can have because teacher Anne has another class at 2 o'clock. Okay? Oh, you don't have you're handsome without glasses. You're handsome. You're handsome with that glass. Where is your glasses? Okay. So we'll have to have this. Okay, why you came late?
Because I think today is state holiday.
Oh, it's that holiday? Because I your mom told me that we'll be having a class today.
Yeah. Lẩu mà. Chơi cái kiểu. Không. Ngay chỗ ba ông thằng. Em có nhớ là nó sẽ ngay kia mà. Em đi sơn. Em thích màu tím. Em thích con khô lắm các bạn. Lắm.
Yes, sir. Ah, sir. Sige, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cô đi nói chuyện với ai?
Okay. That one here. Okay, so our topic now, actually we are already done with 8. Now we are in 9. Okay. So we have here some of the words like uncle, great grandfather, because we are talking now about family. We are talking about family. So cousins, aunt, grandparents, niece, nephew, mother-in-law. Okay. So all of these words, they are member of the family, right? They are member of the family. Okay, like it's uncle, your great grandfather, your cousins, your aunt, the niece, nephew, mother-in-law. Okay. Okay. So you have here. So we already given you things. Okay. We already given you some of the words that is part in the topic family. Okay, now we have here. Okay, for a while done. For a while done. Who is speaking? Oh, Tuan, listen. Oh, this is not. I'm sorry. Speaking. This speaking. Oh my God. It's speaking 10. Sorry, Tuan. It's wrong. Okay, you forgot the class one?
Hả?
You forgot? or class? You forgot class?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh my God. So we have here the family, the father, the mother. They are the members of the family. The brother, the sister. It's laborious, take care. It's laborious and take care. Okay, look at the mother. The mother is doing laborious things to her children. She's studying. How about this one? Can you see this one?
Yeah. The mother is take care her daughter.
The mother is
Take care her daughter.
mother is taking care of the daughter. Okay. So on this one, in the picture number 1, what the girl is doing?
Is tell the story to her son and daughter.
He is telling story to her sons and daughter. Okay, that's the love. How, what do you think of this? Can you see this one? What do you think of this picture?
Is one small child go to school with his dad.
And then, how about the other pictures here? How about this one? Lusty. What do you mean by the word lusty? What is lusty?
I don't know what is lusty.
Oh, it's very strong. Lusty is very strong. Look at this is the father and the father is lusty. Okay, it's very strong. Okay, you know Tuan, I feel it's new to me that you didn't wear glasses. Okay, so how about here funny? You know the word funny?
Yes.
Yeah, look at the boy and the girl. They are funny. They are trying to make us laugh. Okay. Who is funny in your family?
I don't know
Who is funny in the
because
family?
my family laugh a lot.
Oh, your family laugh a lot? Always? Like you are watching comedy movie? If you're
Yeah.
watching a movie, so your family will?
Yeah.
Your family
Laugh.
will laugh
Laugh.
a lot. Okay. Okay, here. Are you an only child, Tuan?
No, I have my small sister.
Okay, you have your small sister. What do you like the most about your family? Because we are
Is
talking, our topic is about family. What do you like most about your family?
is but we have a small family, but we are very funny and always laugh.
Wow, very good. Even though you have a small family, but you're very happy. That's the most important. You're happy, even though we are not rich, but we are happy. Okay? Who do you love the most in your family? Who do you love the most in your family?
I don't know because I think it's the same.
Okay, it's just the same, teacher. Okay, your mom, your dad, your sisters, they are your family. So of course, you have to love them, right, Tuan?
Yeah,
Yeah, of course, teacher. Okay. Can you explain why do you like this person? Like your family. Why do you like your family?
because it's very funny.
It's very funny, of course. Aside from very funny, why do you like your family?
Uh, I don't know
Oh,
why I like my
you don't know why you like your family. Okay. How does your family celebrate the holidays? Like that holiday? Where did you go?
We go to our hometown.
Ah, you go to your, for how many days, Tuan?
1 week
Oh,
or 2 or 3.
okay, like 1 week.
What?
Like 1 week, you go to your hometown.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you do there? You enjoy the trip, the holiday?
Yes.
Yeah, of course, Teacher Anne. Now, okay. So we have here. Okay, so it's too strong. Okay. So another, you explained already why you like this person as your family. Okay, let's move to other. Continue topic on 11. Okay, still here. Okay, so we are now grade speaking test 11 because we are done with 10. Okay, so as you can see here, useful websites. Okay, we are going to back with technology. Okay, right? You remember one that we are talking about technology? We are talking like that, yes? Yeah, do you remember that? Okay, now we have here, you are having, okay, you enjoy using technology. Do you enjoy using technology?
Yes.
Yeah, you enjoy that much. Okay, okay, here. Now, well, I wouldn't call myself, okay, look at this person. Okay, well, I wouldn't call myself a techie or computer buff or a computer savvy, the one who knows about computer, very good in technology. So I'd like to find out more about how to work. When my computer crashes, I never know what to do. So sometimes our computer really not working well, maybe because of the computer or because of the internet. So what we do? What did we do? We have to what
Um,
did we do? We have to find ways on how to fix our computer, right? How about you, Tuan? What will you do just in case computer is not working?
I will um check or hit in the um desktop,
Okay,
or I
like,
will call somebody go to fix that.
okay. So we have here, like for example, you are in the middle of the class, you are doing research, and suddenly your computer clash, it crashes. What will you do?
I will bring it to the computer store to find help.
Oh yeah, somehow if you are not picky, if you don't know more about computers, you will have to bring that to the computer shop. Okay, right? We mostly bring our computer to the computer shop. Okay. Okay, I think I could call myself a techie. I almost spend almost free time on technology, such as playing video game, watching TV, and surfing the internet. I could not imagine how my life would be without technology. How about you, Tuan? Do you think technology is really important in your life?
Yes,
Okay, of course, teacher. It's very important in my life. Okay, like what can you do aside from having this video about having class? What else can you do with technology?
playing video game, watching TV,
Yes.
surfing the internet,
Yes.
search for information,
Yes.
and studying online.
Oh, yeah. Of course, like that, like studying online. Of course, that's good. And that's the thing. Okay, here. Okay, so of course, internet, teacher Ann told you already about this, that internet or technology is very important nowadays. Like we are only teaching, we're only taking, we're only having a research like that and everything, okay? So
Okay.
mostly we are very eager, or we are very fond of researching and doing something in the internet. And that is because of technology. Okay, now. Okay, how about now? Okay, do you use internet for your study?
Yes,
Yeah,
because
yes.
today coronavirus, so that I must learn at home, so
Yeah,
that I always learn online.
okay, because of coronavirus. How was coronavirus one?
What?
How was it? How was coronavirus nowadays in Vietnam? In Ho Chi Minh? How was corona in Ho Chi Minh?
It's very terrible
It's very terrible. Why?
because a lot of new persons have coronavirus, so that a lot of apartments and building and skyscraper must be um,
What?
stopped.
Oh, stop and oh, that's what happened in Ho Chi Minh now.
Yeah,
Oh my God. So that's it. That's what happened in Ho Chi Minh nowadays. Okay, so I'd be lost without it. I do a lot of video conferencing to practice speaking, and social media like Facebook is a good way to meet up with other students. So like this. So mostly, as you can see here, these students, she said that she will be lost without it, without technology. How about you? How far technology helps you? How far? Did technology really helps you, Tuan?
yes,
Yeah, of course. Not only in having the class, like also having a research. Like also if you wanna have a fun, like you're watching movie, you are taking time in the computer playing games like that. So technology is important nowadays. Most of the people, most of the companies, they are relying, or they rely on technology. Yes. Look at these guys, these children. Of course, yes. I usually go online and search information to finish my assignments. And sometimes I download some books from the internet to read and prepare for our studies at school. So this is like this. Okay. Do you have your own computer? You told me you haven't, right? You don't have computer.
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
teacher, I don't have. Okay. Okay. So other person they buy a MacBook Pro, but it's very expensive. Okay. Especially, in the Philippines, the laptop, it's very expensive in the Philippines. That's why we don't have money, so we need to buy only the second hand, or else we will not buy a new one. Although our computer is not working properly, but we will not buy a new one because it's very expensive. Yes, one, exactly, expensive. Okay, so here, the boy here said he has a MacBook Pro. Oh my God. And the girl here, I have a Dell laptop, which is my birthday gift from my parents. It's sana all. There is birthday gift. Okay, so it's not like this because nowadays, especially online, It's very important to have computer, right, Tuan?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. How about you? Do you think laptop is important?
Um, yes,
Yes.
because it's easy to use than a computer and can bring it anywhere,
Yes.
and um, we can search the information easier, and it can use like an update of iPhone or cell phone.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
very good.
Yes, of course. It's very important. What website do you often browse? Like YouTube, what? Do you have Facebook account?
What?
Facebook. You have Facebook account?
No,
Okay.
no.
So what website do you like to go? Mostly you like to go.
Is the some websites, game online, and YouTube.
Okay. It's a YouTube, of course. And some online games. Okay. Other kids really like to play online games. Okay. Okay. So mostly when you search YouTube, why do you like to go on YouTube? Why do you like YouTube? Why?
Because it's I can watch a lot of funny or uh, videos, funny, and some show in YouTube, and
Yes.
it's free.
Yeah, of course. It's free. In YouTube, you
And
can
it's
watch video. You can watch any movie that you like, right?
yeah,
Okay, so of course. So now Tuan, okay, so we don't have enough time. It's already 2 p.m. and teacher has another class. I mean, it's 1 p.m. there, right? What time is
yeah,
it there? It's 1 p.m. Okay. Supposed to be, I will extend, okay, more time, but teacher Anne has another class in the other students in the Philippines. So I have to do the class here. So I am waiting you for quite, yeah, for 40 minutes. Okay.
yeah,
But Tuan is not coming. Tuan is late because Tuan forgot that he has a class with teacher Anne. Oh, so for now, I will be seeing you tomorrow, okay? Don't be
yeah.
absent. Don't be late, okay? You
Okay,
wear your eyeglass tomorrow. It's new to me that you don't have eyeglass, but you look
yeah.
handsome without eyeglass. Okay. Yeah, for now, sorry Tuan, because I cannot give you more time because teacher Anne has another class, okay? I will be, that's the reason I only extend 15, yeah, minutes, okay? For now, teacher will say goodbye, Tuan. Yeah,
Goodbye.
yeah.
Have a nice day with your
Yeah,
student.
of course. I will be having my class in my grade 7, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.